guest on the show, Parasuram. What I like about guests is that they always introduce me to new vegetarian outlets in the city than what I already know. So here I am hunting for Shankar Chaat near the Anna Nagar Tower. Once in a while, these people also forget to give me proper directions, like Parasuram for instance. Oh look, Shankar! Oops, a spare parts shop? Where on earth is Shankar Chaat now? This Shankar Chaat enga irukku?
Shankar Chaat inge illa. Shankar Chaat vandha straight up pova. Last way left edukkom.
Inge Shankar Chaat nu onnu irukum theriyuma inga.
Hi Pratibha.
Hey Parasuram. I went crazy hunting for this place. Next time I shouldn't just ask you to introduce me to a new place, but should also make you drive me along.
Okay. Do I play the host or you?
And we went ahead with two things that we love most, chaat and chat. I love this new hangout that I've been introduced to. A small place stuffed with puris and the tawa hissing with aloo tikkis and ragda. Parasuram and I decided to go with the size of the snack in an ascending order. The only small ones that we could find were a samosa and a cutlet. And these snacks never taste good without its inseparable partner, cutting chai. The decision seemed easier than communicating the order as both of us were not very comfortable with Hindi. I began with the only word I'm very confident with in Hindi. Bhaiya.
One cutlet and one samosa.
What about chai?
Okay, do chai.
Do chai bhaiya. If you're lucky, you can dash to the only stool that's available for you to sit. Luck and me, ha! So there we stood waiting enviously at the customer who sat there for, quite a length of time. Thanks to the snacks that arrived just in time to remind me that my hunger was more important than my leg pain. You know what? I'm going to have the samosa because this looks bigger.
Okay, I'll count to it.
You say you're from Nagarkoil, right? So, what's the most special dish in Nagarkoil?
The chips is very famous and they do it from Nendramparam.
Nendramparam, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. I think I should come to Nagarkoil.
Sure, welcome.
You also get samosas and chaats over there?
Yeah, a lot of guys from Bihar and they have put on a lot of stalls like this.
Oh, in fact, you know what? The owner is also from Bihar. The
Sir?
owner of Shankar.
Okay, so you know this place or?
I just had a quick chat with him, you know, by the time you were waiting for the samosa and cutlet.
Okay.
Incidentally, chaats and samosas and all these stuff actually evolved from Bihar.
Oh,
Came from Bihar first and then went on to other places.
that is from Bengali thing, is it?
Bihar cuisine is more like the Bengali cuisine because they use a lot of mustard oil. In fact, even the samosa has a very Calcutta-ish flavor.
ये हम दुकान 89 जुलाई 22 को ओपन किया जी और ये जगह मेरे को एनईपीसी वाले दिए और एनईपीसी वाले बोले आप चाट की दुकान कर लो, हमारे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था। हाँ, करने के बाद अच्छा सक्सेस हुआ, भगवान का कृपा है। यहाँ के आदमी बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं और खूब चाट शौक से खाते हैं।
The specialty of Bihari chaat is its authentic tamarind flavor, which stands out despite the sweetness of the dates chutney and the dahi or the spicy chili garlic chutney. The variety, though standard, is tempting no doubt. I was dying for a crunchy snack, so I quickly ordered a masala puri, and since I took the samosa then, Parasuram ordered a samosa chaat to feed his love for samosas. Now what I like best about all these chaat items is this channa gravy. It's called gugni.
Gogni.
It's a traditional recipe of Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, all these places.
Oh,
And it's pretty simple to cook also. Since you say you cook a lot,
yeah.
you can probably try this at home. Channa is boiled and then cooked with onions, tomatoes,
These things.
and all these garam masala and all that.
I also know to put that green chutney. You don't like garlic, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No wonder there's a lot of sweet chutney, and the sweet chutney is also just about right. Not too very sweet. It's not too thick.
Oh,
Thanks for telling them that. I'm so touched. I'll get you a pani puri for this.
pani puri.
Yeah.
Great. Great thing, yeah.
Great heart, no? Large heart. Actually, Parasuram is a lover of non-vegetarian delicacies. But the moment he realized he was on a date with me, he decided to politely entertain me with chatpata vegetarian snacks. It's not a snack, it's a chaat meal over here.
Okay, here's your meal.
Okay?
Okay.
What's this?
Kachori chaat.
Okay, and that's your puchka. Kachori is actually a trademark item of Bihar. It's made of maida mawa that is stuffed with moong dal, gram flour, onions and deep fried. Over here, the fried stuffing is crushed and mixed with gugni. So it's crispy, tangy and yummy.
If you want to participate in this program like me, please answer the question. Okay, what's the question?
Which is the movie where the lead actors participate in a Golgappa eating contest? A. Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, B. Gangster, or C. Basigar? Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com.
Wait. And don't forget your phone number. Right? It's the 21st time, right?
No, stop making fun of me, okay?
Okay.